Hello guys, welcome back to Culinary Crossroads. Today let's make these super tasty eggless layered Choco-Vanilla cookies. These cookies are a tasty treat with the combined flavor of chocolate and vanilla. So let's get started and make these delicious cookies. Beat butter and icing sugar in a bowl until they are light in color and fluffy. Add vanilla extract. Gradually add flour to it and beat for 2 to 3 minutes to form dough. Now using hands, bring the dough together to a soft dough consistency. Add little milk at this stage to bring it all together. Dough looks perfect. Divide the dough into halves. Put melted chocolate into one half. Add chocolate in center and secure it from all ends. Sprinkle flour on top and knead dough to form a chocolate ball. Wrap each of the half in food paper or cling foil and put it in fridge for 30 minutes. It has been 30 minutes, so let's check our dough. It looks perfect. Let's roll it out. Sprinkle some flour. Roll out each piece of dough into an oval shape of 11 cm into 6 cm and about 1 inch thick. (11 cm into 6 cm and about 1 inch thick. Place vanilla dough on chocolate dough and press gently. Vanilla dough should cover chocolate dough at this point. Now cut the dough into half lengthways and turn over the other half. Place chocolate dough side on the vanilla dough. Fold it from the sides and form it into a block. Cut the block into cookies of about 40 grams each. Place each cookie on the baking tray lined with parchment paper. Space them equally, allowing enough room to spread out. Bake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees for 15 to 20 minutes. Leave it to cool on the baking tray. Once at room temperature, pipe thin lines of chocolate on the cookies. Leave it to harden for 10 minutes. Our eggless Choco-Vanilla cookies are ready. Serve them with tea or coffee, or just enjoy them plain. These look absolutely delicious and so crunchy as well. Let's break and hear the snap too. Wow! Thanks for watching, and if you have liked this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next one.